Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today I'm making a special dish for Lunar New Year. This special recipe is what my family eats for the first dish every New Year. Traditionally, people eat this on the 15th day of the Lunar New Year, but we like to eat it on the first day. This dish is a sweet sesame ball soup. The exact ingredients is in the description box. Now let's get started. Let's start by making the filling. Add peanut butter to the ground sesame powder. This sesame powder has been pre-cooked. Then add powdered sugar. Mix it together and add vegetable oil. Mix the oil in and pack it together. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes. Let's make the skin. Add hot water to the sweet rice flour. Make sure to use boiling water to mix. The amount of water can change depending on the brand of sweet rice flour you use. Adjust the water as needed. Mix together, then add vegetable oil. Mix the oil in the dough and wrap in plastic. Let it rest for 15 minutes before using. Now let's split the filling into 25 pieces. Then load the filling into a bowl. Now spread some sweet rice flour. Then take the dough and roll it out. Then cut the dough into 25 pieces. Make sure to keep the dough wrapped so it doesn't dry. Now take the dough and stuff the filling inside. Let's make the soup. Add the brown candy in hot water. When the candy is melted, add the sesame ball. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low. When the dumplings start to fold, cook it for 2 more minutes and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! Look, it's perfectly round. The filling is sweet and smooth. The skin is soft and a little bit chewy. I really like sesame. So fragrant. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody! If you have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody! 再见